Okay, so we're going to show you how to change from a 3-piece mold to a 4-piece mold like the star set here. So first you make sure your air is disconnected from your air compressor. Then you can lift the piston up. Use this Allen wrench to partially unscrew the 2 set screws. And then this will drop out. Then we take the new, in this case there's a tapper. This is a 4-piece design. That goes up in there with the notch going up. Just tighten these down kind of snug. Okay, and then the star has a piece that's flat on both sides. That goes on the bottom, and then a part that has kind of a recess, and that's the top, and that's going to go down on top of your mixture. So for now we'll just set it in there. But we need to align the alignment plate here to be pretty much centered under this. So I'm going to loosen these screws, and I want to get this part, which we call the tapper, right in the center of the star. So every time we come back in here, it's going to be lined up. And when I have that positioned well, then I just tighten these screws in the back. And that's it. So now you've got the flat piece in the bottom, you add your mix, you add your top piece to it, and use your machine.